The internet loves a fancy metal raised bed. But let's be honest, does your garden really need one before you can start growing food? Raised beds give you total control over the quality of soil and perfect drainage, but they require a bigger investment up front. Planting in the ground is essentially free, and it holds moisture well in a heat wave. But you're at the mercy of whatever soil quality you already have. If you have heavy clay or drainage issues, go for a raised bed. But if you have a lot of land or a really tight budget, the ground is your best friend. Now, if you go with a deep raised bed, 17 inches or more, the mere volume of the soil is going to keep your soil moist even during a heat wave. So don't let the myth that your raised bed's going to dry out keep you from building one. Just make sure that you build it deep and have a lot of soil in there to help retain the moisture. You can also choose the proper soil to retain that moisture. And it also doesn't have to be one or the other. You can have one great raised bed and also have a great in-ground plot in the same garden. Whether you're planting in a deep raised bed or right in the ground, the harvest you get is only as good as the soil that you are using. For many of us, that means dealing with the bricklayer of the gardening world. In our next video, we're looking at how to fix heavy clay soil and why the most common advice for it is often a mistake.